Work at Fylde Accident Repair Centre, based in Blackpool. Tesla approved, high volume, and I'm the quality control manager there. My boss actually went over to America and went to an event over there, and Keco were there, and he was very impressed. So we then got in contact with yourselves and came down and did a demonstration for a day. Very good. I recently, although I'm quality control manager, I actually went back on the tools for a week last week. Used it myself for the first time, and I found it easy to use. As long as you follow the methods that were taught to us on the day, I think it's important that you've got to like using temperature, which I never knew about, getting a bit of heat into it. And I always found glue pull quite tough to use before that, but if you use it right, it works well. Yeah, I'd definitely say so, especially with the aluminium, because that was always a struggle initially. So it obviously helps with that, definitely. Absolutely, for the same reason I said before, ease of use. Again, if you follow the procedure that the way you should do it, I think it's a really good product. I really do.